be Junior. Police, police, police. Police. Patrolling in your neighborhood, driving around your streets. There's a policeman over there, walking on his beat. He doesn't like people being naughty. He likes to keep the peace. Police, police, police. Police. Patrolling in your neighborhood, driving around your streets. The police always wear uniform, so you know who they are. And check out their flashing lights on the roof of their car. Police, police, police. Police. Patrolling in your neighborhood, driving around your streets.
Check out the next LBB Junior video now. For more great videos, be sure to subscribe.